friends, it's Wendy with thewendym.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my absolute favorite laundry hack for taking this 132-ounce bottle of Thieves concentrated laundry soap and turning it into 4 bottles of pumper bottles, that is, these 32-ounce bottles. So we're going to be extending it 4 times. You might be asking yourself, well, how can you do that? Well, because this bottle is simply a concentrate. Young Living does not charge us to ship water because we've got an unlimited supply of that in our homes, and we can just use that to dilute it and get much more product out of it. So I've already taken and poured 1 cup of laundry soap into my measuring cup, and I'm just going to add that here into my pumper bottle, watching so that I don't spill this precious gold. And I like to make sure I get every last drop in there, so I'm going to run my finger around the cup and just encourage everything that's there to get in there to my new pumper bottle. The next step that we're going to do, wow, there was more in there than I thought there'd be. It keeps coming down the sides. The next step that we're going to do is we are going to add to this, just for a little extra cleaning power, our Thieves household cleaner. We're going to do 2 capfuls of Thieves household cleaner, and that's going to go right here. Get that all the way to the top, and pour that in, and get that one. Okay, so we've got our Thieves household cleaner. My last ingredient and my kind of secret weapon, if you will, that's not so secret, is our lemon essential oil. If you're not familiar with lemon, it's a great alternative to bleach for whitenings. And so I'm going to add this just to give a little extra whitening power. Plus, I love the added scent in our lemon. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, well, maybe 12 drops. That's a thin oil, so it comes out fast. So just going to give this a little swirl to get those ingredients mixed. And I'm going to need more than 1 of these, but just so you get the idea, we're going to add in, and this is going to go ahead and take out some of what's in the funnel from our detergent. I'm going to pour a little bit in here to get the rest of the detergent out of there. And we're going to add this in here. And once we're off camera, I'll go back to the sink and I'll fill the rest of this with water. And I'm using water out from my RO system, and then fill it, add your pumper to it. I've created these cute little labels, and that way I always know what's in it. And we're gonna, as I said, we're gonna fill it up all the way so that we've got a 32-ounce bottle. I've still got 3 more servings for this size bottle in this container. So you can see that you're going to get a lot of loads of detergent from just 1 bottle, making it really economical to use. And we did that in under 2.5 minutes. So it's really simple to do. I hope you'll give it a try, and thanks for joining me today. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.